All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018 Ford Transit. It is the T150 mid-roof short wheelbase with 22,000 miles, I believe. Or I'm sorry, 19,000 miles. White with the gray vinyl interior, AM/FM stereo system, backup camera, power windows, power door locks, super nice, and best of all, minimum damage. Your front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks pretty good. Your front fender looks pretty nice. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Let's check out your tire thread. Which is over 7/32. You do seem to have a little crack here on the windshield. About 6 inches. All right. This door looks good. This quarter does have a couple little dings from the inside out. Some right here, you can see them. Another one over here somewhere. Here it is. Boom, boom, boom up there as well. The rest of it looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing here. And your tire thread is at over 7/32. You got power windows, power door locks, your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips, looks good. Got your power mirrors right there. Jump in here, turn it on for you guys. Vehicle does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM/FM stereo system, got your AC controls right down below. Got your backup camera. Boom. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. Your mileage of 19,986. Pretty much completes the tour for in here. 2 key fob combos, owner's manuals. Super nice. So did that. This rear bumper looks pretty good. These doors look pretty darn decent. Got a little button here. Opens the door all the way. Likewise on this side. And this is what your rear cargo area looks like, pretty big and spacious. Looks beautiful. Your moldings, your wheel wells look pretty damn good. It got some scratches here. That's just typical of any truck. When you shoot this door, looks pretty good. It's pretty clean, fresh. Likewise here, this door looks pretty darn nice. And this quarter looks pretty good. Got a little dent there. That's about it. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see any curbing. And your tire thread over 7/32. We jump up here. Check out the roof. All right, your roof looks pretty good. I do see a couple little things over there. I'm gonna turn this seat over, this chair over there. Got a little ding right here. Boom. My man's gonna put the ladder right here so I can look at these couple of dents. Right here is one. Right there is another one. And a couple here. My man marked them so that I can see them clearly, but they are very, very shallow. Not a real dent whatsoever. This door though looks pretty darn good. Here's your side cargo area and what that looks like. Very nice. This door looks pretty darn nice. Here's your front passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips. Front fender looks good. Front passenger steel wheel and your tire thread. This over 7/32 as well. Lights are working, car is on, things are beautiful, folks. Once again, this is a 2018 Ford Transit T150 mid-roof short wheelbase with 19,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.